Hi guys, it's me, Caitlin, and I'm supposed to be waiting for my friend Kara to do. Oh, there you are. Okay. We're doing the testing weird food combinations. So it's like our foods we love mixed together. It's just kind of weird. Okay, so first we're gonna do peanut butter with sriracha sauce.
And so let's go.
Ooh, okay, this is gonna be weird. I'm only gonna put a little bit. So we're eating is sriracha sauce.
We mixed it.
Okay,
I
cheers.
need some water.
Yes, water. Cheers. Oh, Jesus. Oh my God, you're so fancy. It's so disgusting.
Ew.
I can taste the peanut butter, which I'm not a big fan of. And then I taste the sriracha sauce, which is spicy.
Follow me. Okay, guys. So now this is milk with hot Cheetos.
A lot of YouTubers have been doing the hot Cheetos with milk, so yeah. You'll edit this part. Okay, sit down now. First.
Okay, guys. So how we've seen it is people pour the milk and then put the hot Cheetos in. So it's not like just dip.
I'll pour a little bit. I'm not gonna pour that much. You're not closing? And by the way, we're adding a new rule. Whoever drinks all their water first, like kind of loses because they.
Yeah, we're just gonna eat the whole thing and see.
We just have to eat the whole thing. I'm not gonna drink milk right now. Try not to for the rest of this.
Well, this is good water. I really need water.
You can drink it, just not all of it.
I'm done.
I'm not gonna.
So now we can drink our water.
I'm not gonna drink a lot because then I might lose. I'm drinking it sip by sip. Whoa, my gosh!
Okay, guys. So next we have chocolate milk with salt, and we kind of have a hard time putting the chocolate into the milk.
Okay.
We put chocolate syrup.
Did you put it?
Okay, guys. So
We put our
cheers.
cheers.
I don't taste it.
Me neither. I can taste it a little now. I don't like salt. Too salty. So we're doing next one is hot Cheetos with gummy bears, which not made that. I don't think it's that bad, but it could be.
People didn't actually do this, but we just decided to do this because new things are good.
Good.
And this is the last round. So
And by the way, I'm gonna give credit to some other YouTubers. I don't know what their names are.
Yeah.
We did some of their food things, so I'm giving them credit.
so
Time now.
I think I'm gonna make my like sandwiches.
Oh yeah, it's true. Okay, let me just give a few. Me and Kara made food hot Cheetos and a gummy bear sandwich.
Ready?
Okay. You see, I drink most water. I lose. Kara wins.
Yay!
Okay. Please like and subscribe to the video if you want us to do more challenges like this. And bye.